Are you the one trying to convert web to MP4, but having trouble to find a solution online? You're in the right place. We'd like to share you a super easy solution to convert web to MP4. WebM is an open, royalty-free, media file format designed for the web. It's widely supported by Firefox, Google Chrome, popular sites like YouTube. WebM Container is based on a profile of Matroska and consists of streams compressed with VP8 or VP9 video codecs and Vorbis or Opus audio codecs. While it cannot be directly played on Windows Media Player and is not supported by video editors, which induces you to convert WebM to MP4. Okay, let's cut to the chase and get this done. It's very simple. Free download WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe on your computer. The link will be in the description below. Open it up and import your web video. As you can see, an output profile window pops up automatically. Go General Profiles and choose MP4 video as output format. Depending on your specific needs, you can also make some advanced settings like change frame rate, resolution, aspect ratio, audio, etc. for your output video. Moreover, basic editing like adjust audio volume, add subtitle, trim and crop are available as well. Then, tick on the box of Use High Quality Engine to improve the output video quality. Click Browse button to specify the output folder path if necessary. When everything gets ready, tap the blue Run button to start encoding WebM to MP4. If your computer is configured with qualified graphic cards, the hardware acceleration will be invoked automatically to boost the video encoding speed to 47x real-time faster. Alright, cool, it just completed. There it is in the output folder I set. And it's playable on my computer without any components installation. That's the video. If you feel that you have a better method to convert WebM to MP4, please make a comment and let other people know. I want to know about it, I'm sure other people do. Thank you for stopping by. It will be super great if you like and subscribe to be part of my channel. Thanks very much. Have a nice day here.